Hey, did you hear the news about the FIFA World Cup 2026? I'm really excited about it.
Yes, of course. I've been waiting for it for a long time. It's going to be amazing. 2026 World Cup will be held in the USA, Canada, and Mexico, right?
Exactly. I think it will be one of the biggest World Cups ever because so many countries are hosting it together. I hope Argentina will perform very well this time.
Hmm. As a Brazil supporter, I obviously hope Brazil will win. We have a strong team and great young players.
I agree Brazil is strong, but Argentina is also strong. We are the current champions, so we have confidence too.
That's true. Winning the last World Cup was a big achievement for Argentina. But 2026 will be different. Many teams have improved.
Yes, especially teams like France, England, and even Portugal. The competition will be very tough.
Right. I think France will be one of the biggest threats again. Their squad is full of talented players.
Absolutely. By the way, have you thought about watching the matches live in the USA?
I wish, if I get a chance, I would love to watch a match at MetLife Stadium in New Jersey. It would be an unforgettable experience.
That sounds amazing. I would also love to visit the stadium in Los Angeles or maybe AT&T Stadium in Texas. Watching World Cup matches live is a dream.
Yes, and imagine the atmosphere there. Thousands of fans, flags, and cheering everywhere.
I can already feel the excitement. Do you think Brazil will reach the final?
Of course, I believe Brazil can reach the final. We have young stars who are improving every day. But it won't be easy.
I think Argentina also has a good chance. Our teamwork is very strong and we play with passion.
That's true. Argentina plays with heart. But sometimes pressure becomes a problem in big matches.
Yes, pressure is always there in the World Cup, but that makes football more exciting.
By the way, who's your favorite player in the Argentina team?
I really like Lionel Messi, of course. Even though he may be near the end of his career by 2026, his experience is priceless. And also young players like Julian Alvarez.
Messi is a legend, no doubt. For Brazil, I like Vinicius Jr. He is very fast and skilled.
Oh, yes, Vinicius is a great player. He can change the game in seconds.
Exactly. That's why Brazil's attack is very dangerous.
Do you remember the last World Cup match between Argentina and Brazil in your imagination? Or friendly matches? It's always intense.
Yes, whenever Brazil and Argentina play, it feels like a final match. The rivalry is historic.
True. But outside football, I think fans should also respect each other.
I completely agree. Rivalry should stay on the field only. After the match, we are all football lovers.
Well said. By the way, have you seen the news that some matches will be held in New York City?
Yes, that's interesting. Imagine watching a World Cup match and then walking in Times Square or taking the subway from Grand Central Station.
That would be so cool. Football and travel together?
Yes, and many tourists will come from all over the world. It will be like a global festival.
Do you think the format with 48 teams is good or not?
I think it is good because more countries will get a chance to play. But some people say it may make the tournament longer.
I agree. More teams mean more excitement, but also more matches to watch.
Exactly. But fans love football, so more matches is not really a problem.
True. Do you think any underdog team will surprise everyone in 2026?
Yes, I think teams like Morocco or Japan can surprise again. They played very well in the last World Cup.
Good point. Morocco reached the semi finals last time, which was amazing.
Yes, that shows football is always unpredictable.
That's why we love it. Anything can happen in 90 minutes.
Exactly. One goal can change everything.
So, if Argentina meets Brazil in the World Cup 2026, who do you think will win?
That's a very difficult question. I will always support Brazil, but I respect Argentina a lot. It depends on the day.
I feel the same. If we meet, it will be a very emotional match.
Yes, and maybe it will go to extra time or even penalties.
That would be stressful for both fans.
Definitely. But that is the beauty of football.
I can't wait for 2026. It will be a historic tournament.
Me too. Let's hope for an exciting, fair, and unforgettable World Cup.
Yes, and may the best team win.
Agreed. See you in the football world in 2026.
See you, football forever.